Hello, Prep 2. Good morning. Today, inshallah, we will start in the first lesson, in the first term, inshallah. We will start with the cube root of a rational number. What is the meaning of cube? What is the meaning of cube? We will start first. What is the meaning of cube? The cube is the product of number by itself 3 times. It's called the cube of number. The product of number by itself is 3 times. It's called the cube of this number. So when I need to find the cube of 5, so we will multiply 5 3 times. 5 by 5 by 5. It will be 125. 125 is the cube of the number. 125 is the cube of the number. Okay? So when I say what is the cube? What is the cube? The cube of 4. I need the cube of 4 here. We will multiply 4 3 times. 4 by 4 by 4. It will be 64. So here, I need to find the cube of number. Okay, but my lesson, I need the cube root of the number. In my lesson, I need the cube root of number. Here, I need the cube of 5. Okay? So how to find the cube root of number? So what is the meaning of cube root first? The cube root of number is the number whose cube equals a. The cube root of the number a is the number whose cube equals a. Like what? This is the symbol of cube root. This is the symbol of cube root. So when I need to find the cube root of 125, so we will search for what is the number. What is the number? Multiply by itself 3 times 2. It will be 125. So if we have 125 divided by 5, it will be 25. Divided by 5, it will be 5. If we divided 5 by 5, it will be 1. So we will take 1 5 from 3 5 here. So we will take 5. So the cube root of 125, it will be 5. So what is the cube root of 64? What is the cube root of 64? We will search for what is the number. Multiply by itself 3 times, it will be 64. It will be 64. So the number, it will be 4. The cube root of 64, it will be 4. So how to find the cube root of 216? Find each of the following the cube root of 216. So here we have 216 divided by 2, it will be 108. 108 divided by 2, it will be 54. 54 divided by 2, it will be 27. Here we have 27. Can you divide by 2? No. We will divide it by 3. Divided by 3, it will be 9. 9 divided by 3, it will be 3. 3 divided by 3, it will be 1. We will take 2, just 1 2 from 3 2. We will take 3, 1 3, just 1 3 from 3 3 here. Okay? And make 2 multiply 3. It will be 6. So the square root of 216, it will be 6, because 6 by 6 by 6, it will be 216. Number 2, what is the square root of minus 343? 343. Okay, so we have here 343. Can you divide 343 divided by 3? No, it's a decimal number. I need the whole number. 343 divided by 7, it will be 49. Divided by 7, it will be 7. Divided by 7, it will be 1. So I will take 1 7 from 3 7 here. So that's the square root of minus 343. It will be minus 7. Because the square root of minus 1, we will put minus out of the bracket, out of the symbol, out of the symbol here. We put minus, and what is the cube root of 1 here? It will be 1. The cube root of 1, it will be 1. So the cube root of minus 1, it will be minus 1. Okay. Here, I need the cube root of minus 27a to the power of 6. We have remark here. If we have the square root of a to the power of 6 equal a to the power of 6 to the power of 1 over 3, okay, equals a 6 over 3, it will be a to the power of 2. So here we write a and make 6 divided by 3. Make 6 divided by 3. It will be a to the power of 2. So the square root of a to the power of 6, it will be a to the power of 2. So here I need minus the square root, the cube root, okay, the cube root of minus 27 a to the power of 6. The cube root of minus 27 a to the power of 6. It will be minus 3 a to the power of 2, because here the cube root of minus 27, it will be minus 3 by the cube root of a to the power of 6, it will be a to the power of 2. So the result here, it will be minus 3 a to the power of 2. Number 2, we have the cube root of 8 plus the cube root of minus 8. The cube root of 8, it will be 2, and the cube root of minus 8, it will be minus 2. So here, the result, it will be 2 plus minus 2, it will be 0. The next, minus the cube root of minus 1 minus the square root of 1. So here we have minus out of the symbol of a cube root, and the cube root of minus 1, it will be minus 1. And here we have minus the square root of 1, it will be 1. So here we have positive 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Number 2, the absolute value of the cube root minus 125 equal the square root of what? First, we will find the absolute value of cube root minus 125. The cube root of 100 minus 125, it will be minus 5. And the absolute value of minus 5, it will be 5. So what is the square root? What is the number? Okay, what is the number? What is the square root of this number? Equal 5. So we will multiply the number how many times? 2 times. So 5 by 5, it gives me, yes, 25. So here we write 25. The square root of 25 equal absolute value cube root of minus 125. The next, here I need to find the value of x in each of the following. X to the power of 3 plus 5 equals 32. Here this equation, I need to find x in this equation. We have here x to the power of 3 plus 5. Here we have x to the power of 3 plus 5. You can write 32 minus 5. So here we have x to the power of 3 equals 27. So x to the power of 3 equals 27. X here, it will be the square root, the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27. Why? Because we have here x to the power of 3. I need to find here x. So we will make to the power of 1 over 3 here. 27 to the power of 1 over 3 here. And 27 to the power of 1 over 3 means the cube root of 27. So x here equals the cube root of 27. What is the cube root of 27? It will be 3. So x equals here 3. Number 2, the cube root of x minus 3, it will be equals to minus 1. Here I need x. The cube root here x of x, it will be minus 1 and minus 3 here. In the right side, it will be positive 3. Okay, so here we have the cube root of x equals 2. So what is the cube root of x equal to 2? What is the number here? It will be 8. Because the cube root of 8, it will be 2. The cube root of 8, it will be 2. So x here equals